In this video, we will explain how to set up your GateKeeper hardware. For your hardware setup, first you'll need to unpack your GateKeeper USB sensor kit. Your kit includes one USB proximity sensor. This is the sensor that detects GateKeeper tokens. Also included is a 6-foot USB extension cable. This cable is male USB to female USB, and it allows you to put a USB port anywhere on your computer station. Finally, a set of wire management clips used for securing the extension cable to your desk or monitor. Let's take these items to your computer station and set up your GateKeeper hardware. The goal is to install the USB sensor in a location where it has a direct line of sight with your GateKeeper tokens. If your end users wear their GateKeeper tokens on their hip or waist area, a good place to install the GateKeeper sensor is just underneath the desk. This ensures a direct line of sight between the sensor and the token. First, take a wire management clip, remove the adhesive cover and stick it underneath the desk, 1 inch from the edge, with the hook latch perpendicular to the desk's edge. Take your 6-foot USB extension cable and insert it in a USB slot in the computer. Take the female end of the cable and hook it underneath the latch. Press the latch closed and you should hear a snap. The USB port is now secured to the table. Finally, insert the USB sensor into the extension cable's port. Your GateKeeper hardware is now installed, and you should be able to log in using your GateKeeper token. Press Windows L to log out and lock the computer. And that's it. You're done. Some companies require that the GateKeeper tokens be worn on the chest or lapel area at all times. In this case, it's better to install the USB sensor in a higher location, like the top of the monitor. This ensures that the USB sensor has a direct line of sight with your GateKeeper tokens. To install a GateKeeper sensor on the top of the monitor, take a wire management clip, remove the adhesive cover, and stick it to the top of the monitor, with the hook latch perpendicular to the monitor's edge. Take your 6-foot USB extension cable and insert it in a USB slot in the computer. Feed the cable up towards the monitor and hook the female end underneath the latch, closing the latch with a snap. The USB port is now secured to the monitor. Finally, insert the USB sensor into the extension cable's port. Your hardware is now installed, and you should be able to log in using your GateKeeper token. Again, Windows L to log out and lock your computer, and you're all set. Additionally, if some users wear the GateKeeper token on their chest lapel area and others wear the GateKeeper token on their waist hip area, you may install GateKeeper sensors in both high and low locations. This ensures a direct line of sight between the USB sensor and the GateKeeper token, no matter where the end user is wearing their token. If you need to do this, you may order more sensors, cables, and cable management clips through your GateKeeper customer portal.